says the company believes that it controls more than 30% of the total market share. Prove this belief. Take a random sample. Found 50 out of 144. Wants to conduct a statistical test. The alternative. So the null, of course, would be that the proportion is 30%. So the alternative, which is what they're asking me, more than. So the population proportion is greater than 0.3. All right, continuing on with the same question. Says find the z-value. So this is the z about a proportion. So all we need to be sure and do is find p hat, which is 50 out of 144, which is 0.3472. So I have everything I need. 0.3472 minus my proportion over the square root of my population proportion, and then Q, which is 1 minus P, divided by 144, and you should get 1.24. All right, the next one says reviewing employee training based on David knows the variance of teller training in Southeast region is 8, and he wonders if the variance in the Southwest region is the same number. So his staff randomly selected personnel files for 15 tellers, determined their mean training time was 25 and the standard deviation was 4. Now I want to use a alpha equals 0.10. So I want to find my test statistic, which is this. So I just plug in everything they give me. They said 15 tellers. It said my standard deviation is 4. And then the population standard deviation is up here, is 8. Or the population standard deviation. The variance is 8. So that's why you're not squaring this, because that's the actual variance. And you should get 28 for your answer.